Hi guys, I'm Paula and today we're going to be doing the sales topic just for landscapers and garden designers out there who want to improve their sales process and who want to get more sales through the door and, more importantly, convert them. I get asked all the time, how do I vet inquiries for my landscaping business? How do I make sure they're not time wasters? How do I make sure that we're getting the most out of our customers potential clients before we go to meet them? And in this topic, I'm going to be going through how you vet an inquiry right through to how you close the sale. I've been working in sales a long time, since college, and then I eventually opened up my own sales and marketing company. And then I took the plunge and jumped in with my husband to run his landscaping company, based on the fact that I knew a lot about sales and marketing and I could apply everything I'd learnt to this new landscaping business and venture. So I'm really excited because sales is my passion. I love sales. It's not a scary word for me. It's not anything that makes me feel uncomfortable. I know I'm going to be sold to and I look forward to selling to people. And my aim with this topic is if it gets you one more converted client spending money with you, then I feel like I've done my job. So let's get into the topic.